Hey y'all, Kathryn here with Ukulele Wine Time. We're gonna learn how to play a C major chord on your ukulele. So first we need to know our finger numbers, 1, 2, 3. So that's your third finger or your ring finger. And then you're gonna place that on the third fret. So here's your frets, 1, 2, 3 of your A string. And when you're holding your ukulele, that's the string closest to the floor. That is your C major chord on the ukulele. And you want to push it all the way down to the wood with your fingertip. Okay, you can see kind of a little line there where I'm pushing down with my finger. And to practice this, you can do downstrokes. So you could try C, 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 C. Just simple downstrokes. I'm doing it with my thumb to try out that C major chord. The notes you're playing, so a chord is made up of notes. A note is a single pitch, and then a chord is multiple pitches played together, multiple notes played together. So let's talk about what notes you're actually playing on the ukulele. So a C major chord is made up of 3 notes, C, E, and G. Let's see what we're playing on our strings here. So you're playing your open G string, you're playing an open C string, you're playing an open E, and then, oh, that is a C an octave above. So you're actually playing 2 Cs in addition to the other notes. So the notes C, E, and G make up your C major triad or C major chord on the ukulele. And actually, on any instrument, those are the notes in the C major chord. My name is Kathryn. Once again, thank you so much for being here. And you can check out this playlist for more ukulele chords. Cheers! Ukulele Wine Time.